Hello friends, today we're going to see about how an arms drop happened in India on 17th of December 1995. It was a full moon day. A transport aircraft flew amid the cloud cover and flew lower than its usual altitude. The aircraft's cargo bay opened. 20,000 AK-47s and ammunition fell from the sky. The drop also included rocket launchers and grenade bombs. The flight made an uninterrupted trip to Bangkok. The arms drop was conspired by a Dutch and a British national who never completed their jail term. The arms drop rocked the Indian political stage for decades to come and remains a mystery even to this day. The arms deal started off with a Danish citizen, Kim Davy, who approached an ex-military man, Peter Bleach. Kim Davy convinced Peter Bleach to procure the arms on the pretext of a false company. They went to Latvia and arranged an Antonov AN-26 aircraft for the drop, and also recruited a Latvian crew to man the flight. Weapons arrived at a deserted Latvian airport where the team camped. The flight was loaded with weapons by the team. MI6, the intelligence unit from Britain, knew about the entire operation. The flight plan was to fly to Karachi, then to Bangkok via India. The flight took off at Latvia and took a break in Karachi and prepare for the last leg of the journey. As the flight flew over Varanasi, the pilot took a change in direction and flew towards West Bengal. Once over the village of Purulia, the aircraft's cargo doors were opened and the drop of weapons happened. The weapons and the aircraft now were headed towards Bangkok. Villagers who found the tranches of weapon informed the local police about the arms which were now scattered across the village. The event now came under the investigation of CBI, or Central Bureau of Investigation. The Antonov AN-26 flew back through India to Latvia, but it was intercepted by MiG-21 of the Indian Air Force and was force landed in Mumbai. The Danish citizen Kim Davy vanished into thin air and reappeared in Netherlands. The 5 Latvian citizens and the British citizen Peter Bleach got arrested. The ensuing legal battle brought in various theories for the reason behind the arms drop. Reason number 1. Peter argued that the arms drop was planned as an elaborate sketch by the Indian government to bring down the West Bengal State Communist Party. The weapons will instigate violence, which can be used as a pretext to dissolve the state government and to declare a presidential rule. Reason number 2. BBC investigation indicated that Anand Marg was in preparation to arm itself against Indian government in case of a standoff. Reason number 3. The arms drop had the initials of the Rajendrapur cantonment of the Bangladeshi army. There was speculation the arms were for the Bangladeshi army. On the night of the drop, an elderly person died in the Purulia village and his body was on fire as per ritual. The Antonov crew thought it was a signal and dropped the arms over the region. Another theory states that the weapons were for terrorist groups which operated in Burma or Myanmar. After years of investigation, the 5 Latvian crew were released as they became Russian citizens, and there was a pressure from Russia to release them. The British citizen Peter Bleach got a presidential pardon after much pressure from Britain. India tried to extradite Kim, a Netherlands citizen, but failed and even did a re-appeal in 2010. None of the conspirators of the arms drop served their sentence. Such a vast amount of weapons in a highly densely populated region might have caused havoc, but luckily it didn't happen. The mystery behind the drop still hangs in air, and Kim Davy alone knows the answer. Friends, if you liked the video, please like, share and subscribe. Bye.